Do you ever wonder why some people seem to burn calories effortlessly while others struggle despite working out? The answer lies deep within the body's intricate metabolic machinery, a system that works silently day and night to convert the food you eat into energy, fuel your movements, and even keep your organs functioning while you rest. Metabolism isn't just a word you hear in fitness magazines. It is the complex, biochemical engine that determines how efficiently your body burns calories and how quickly it responds to changes in diet and exercise. When it's running high, you feel more energetic, shed excess fat more easily, and maintain muscle mass with less effort. When it's sluggish, you can find yourself battling fatigue, stubborn weight, and a constant feeling of being stuck, no matter how disciplined you are. One of the most effective ways to increase your metabolism and maximize calorie burn is through the strategic combination of exercise styles that push your body in different but complementary ways. While many people focus on one single type of workout, such as long cardio sessions or light strength training, the truth is that your metabolism thrives on variety and intensity. High-intensity interval training, or HIIT, is one of the most powerful tools you can add to your fitness routine. It works on the principle of alternating short bursts of maximum effort with brief periods of recovery, forcing your body to tap into its energy reserves and creating what's known as the afterburn effect. This phenomenon, technically called excess post-exercise oxygen consumption, EPOC, means your metabolism stays elevated long after your workout ends. For example, a 15-minute HIIT session that includes 30-second sprints followed by 30-second recovery jogs can keep your body in fat-burning mode for hours, making it an incredibly time-efficient option for busy people. The beauty of HIIT is that it can be adapted to almost any activity: running, cycling, swimming, rowing, jumping rope, or even using bodyweight movements like burpees, mountain climbers, and squat jumps. Yet, as powerful as HIIT is, it is not the only piece of the metabolism puzzle. Strength training plays an equally vital role, and in some cases, it can have a more long-term impact on calorie burning than cardio. This is because muscle tissue is metabolically active. It burns calories even when you're sitting at your desk, lying in bed, or watching TV. The more lean muscle mass you carry, the higher your basal metabolic rate, BMR, which is the number of calories your body needs just to maintain basic functions like breathing and circulation. Lifting weights or doing challenging bodyweight exercises like push-ups, pull-ups, squats, and lunges not only build strength, but also signals your body to preserve and grow muscle fibers. When you consistently challenge your muscles with resistance, you create tiny tears in the fibers that the body must repair. This repair process consumes energy and contributes to calorie burning long after your workout ends, much like HIIT. Over time, the cumulative effect of added muscle can mean burning hundreds of extra calories every single day, even while resting. The third pillar of a metabolism-boosting exercise strategy is the use of full-body compound movements arranged in metabolic circuits. These are workouts where you move from one exercise to another with minimal rest, targeting multiple muscle groups simultaneously while keeping your heart rate elevated. Because compound movements engage large portions of your body, think deadlifts, kettlebell swings, push presses, thrusters, and burpees, they demand significantly more energy than isolation exercises like bicep curls or leg extensions. When performed in a circuit format, these movements create a dual benefit. You build strength and endurance while also achieving a cardio effect that rivals traditional aerobic workouts. The constant transition from one exercise to another prevents your heart rate from dropping, which keeps your calorie burn high both during and after the workout. For example, a metabolic circuit might include 40 seconds of kettlebell swings, followed by 40 seconds of push presses, then 40 seconds of burpees, with just 20 seconds of rest in between. Repeat that sequence for several rounds, and you'll experience a full-body burn that continues to fuel your metabolism for hours. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. Understanding why these three approaches, HIIT, strength training, and metabolic circuits work so effectively together requires looking at how the body responds to stress. Exercise is essentially a controlled form of stress, and when applied in the right amounts, it triggers the body's adaptation mechanisms. HIIT challenges your cardiovascular system and energy pathways, forcing your body to become more efficient at using fuel. Strength training challenges your muscles and nervous system, leading to growth and an increase in baseline calorie burn. Metabolic circuits combine elements of both, amplifying the benefits and adding a conditioning component that improves stamina. By rotating between these methods, you prevent your body from adapting too quickly to any single routine, which is key to keeping your metabolism responsive. It's important to note that simply exercising isn't enough to unlock your metabolism's full potential. The intensity, frequency, and recovery all matter. If you push too hard without rest, your body can enter a state of overtraining, which may actually slow your metabolism due to elevated stress hormones. Beyond exercise, daily movement also plays a role in calorie burning. Non-exercise activity thermogenesis, NEAT, which includes everything from walking to the store, standing while working, doing household chores, and even fidgeting, can significantly impact your overall energy expenditure. Someone who engages in regular NEAT can burn hundreds of extra calories per day without ever stepping foot in a gym. This means that on days you're not doing formal workouts, staying active with light movement is still an important part of boosting your metabolism. When you combine HIIT for its afterburn effect, strength training for its muscle building and calorie burning power, and full-body metabolic circuits for their intense, sustained energy demand, you create a synergy that keeps your metabolism humming at a higher rate throughout the day. Consistency is the final key. Your metabolism responds to repeated, consistent stimuli over time, not one-off bursts of effort. Think of it like stoking a fire. You can't expect a roaring blaze if you only toss in a log once a week. By regularly incorporating these types of workouts, monitoring your recovery, and pairing them with a balanced diet rich in protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates, you can create an environment where your body naturally runs hotter, burns more calories, and feels more energized every day. And while no single exercise or magic formula will transform your metabolism overnight, the cumulative effect of these deliberate choices will build a fitter, stronger, and more resilient version of yourself. One that not only looks different on the outside, but feels vibrant and unstoppable from the inside out. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we are here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.